Hey everybody, I just got back from a meal prepping class where we made 10 different meals and it took us only 2.5 hours. So I am already amazed at the amount of stuff I got done in 2.5 hours because you literally stand behind a table and they hand you the food and you put it in a bag and then you put it in your cooler. So, the only drawback is that they don't let you have the recipes. So I'm eating food that I'm not really sure how it's going to taste, but I want to show you guys what meals I made. Beef and broccoli, carne asada, carnitas, which are pork, chicken curry, which I'm excited to see how that tastes because chicken curry is a norm here. Sesame chicken, don't know how that one's going to turn out. Doesn't look even good to me. Balsamic pot roast, this bag is big and fat. Teriyaki chicken, barbecue chicken, sweet potatoes in there. Enchilada with quinoa, that one has no meat in it, and then burrito bowls with turkey. I'm excited to try a few different ones, and I'm excited to see what my family thinks as well, because if they like them and they taste good, then I'll no doubt keep doing this, because I got so much crap done in a lot of time, and my time is worth money, so that makes a difference to me. So I paid $189 for this package. You can do regular size meals, which I did, which they say feed 6 to 8 adults, or you can do smaller meals, which are 3 to 4 adults. So you can do 10 meals of the regular size or 20 meals, so 10 split in half, or you can do 20 meals, which is 2 of the big meals, or you can do 40 meals, which is 4 meals of each item. So anyway, I'm going to leave a couple out, and these are all for the crock pot, which they say that some can be converted to an Instant Pot, but they send you all of the directions by email, but you don't have the recipes. So anyway, I'm going to try one out, but I'm just glad I got all this crap done in a very short amount of time, because meal prepping takes time. I didn't have to shop for groceries. I didn't have to cut up meat. I didn't even have to touch meat at all. I didn't have to chop any of the onions. I did not have to do dishes. I did not have to deal with kids. I did not have to clean the floor. Like, all I need to do is stick them in my freezer. So I'm crossing my fingers that these all turn out well. The only thing that might make a difference is I did not put the sugar in the meals like they called for, like the teriyaki and what other ones? Barbecue. I'm not a fan of barbecue at all. So I left out the brown sugar. Every time they came around with brown sugar, I was like, no. I would rather have a donut for dessert than have sugar put straight into my meal. So anyway, that's just a preference. So we'll see how they taste. My family is not really used to sugary or even sweet tasting meals, so I think they'll be just fine. I did add honey to a couple dinners like they suggested, but not the same amount. So anyway, I just want to share my experience because I know a lot of you guys are curious, and this is something new that I'm trying out, and I always love to recommend things to you guys if it works with your lifestyle and it will help you in your journey to being happy and healthy every single day. So anyway, message me or comment below the video wherever I post it and let me know if you guys have questions.